Most expensive cars in the world, including Rolls-Royce, Bugatti, Pagani, and more. When buying a car, people often prioritize safety, performance, and design. Luxury automotive companies like Rolls-Royce, Bugatti, and Mercedes Benz excel in all these areas, making them the most sought-after car brands in the world. Having a brand new car in the garage has become a staple for wealthy households. Modern cars offer new features like edge-cutting technology, safety features, exceptionally well-designed, comfortable interiors, and much more. Due to these benefits, consumer demand is growing rapidly, leading to the expansion of the global automotive industry and surging prices. Here are the top 10 most expensive cars in the world as of 2024, according to Forbes. 10 most expensive cars in the world. Number 1, Rolls-Royce La Rose Noire Droptail, 251.24 rupees crores. Number 2, Rolls-Royce Boattail, 234.04 rupees crores. Number 3, Bugatti La Voiture Noire, Rs 156.48 crores. Number 4, Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta, 142.37 rupees crores. Number 5, SP Automotive Chaos, 120.60 rupees crores. Number 6, Rolls-Royce Sweptail, 108.87 rupees crores. Number 7, Bugatti Centodieci, 73.78 rupees crores. Number 8, Mercedes Maybach Accelero, 67 rupees crores. Number 9, Pagani Huayra Codalunga, 61.93 rupees crores. Number 10, Bugatti Divo, Rs 46.06 crores. Thank you. See you in next video. Bye.